Hi everyone, today we have this platform called MRPeasy, and this is the best AI powered MRP software for small manufacturers. So before we begin, there's a link in the description using which you can get extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses on MRPeasy. So jumping straight onto the platform, you can see since it is a material requirement planning software, you are going to be a lot of features for that. So let's just say you run a business that requires some materials and you want to plan for that. So if you want to do that, of course you're going to be needing accurate production planning and reporting. That is exactly what this offers. So it is offered for various industries. You can see 3D printers and much more. Whether you are in the chemical or packaging industry, it is going to be providing you a lot of features for that. If you go back, you can see it also have real-time inventory overview option. And an amazing thing about this platform is the integrations that it offers. It have Amazon, Magneto, HubSpot, and even Shopify. So that is really good if you are running your business on e-commerce platforms. You are going to be integrating that with this as well and giving you an amazing set of results as well. So you have your production planning, stock management, CRM, your sales management. You can also add your teams, purchasing, and accounting. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. It has to offer much more. Once you dive into the platform, you will have a better idea about how it is going to be working and what services you will be getting out of it. So if you are unsure about what people has to say about it, so you can see best bang per buck for small manufacturers, tier 1 software which is user friendly and very cost effective. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses, and that is something that you should not miss out. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned and see you in the next one.